Hi and hello to you. In this video, we'll see how to use the iOS application FirstFireAlert. First, let us see what this application is all about. FirstFireAlert is an application that converts your iPad into your home's fire alert system. On detecting smoke or fire at home, the fire alarm starts ringing. If you are at home, you hear the ringing fire alarm sounds and react accordingly. But what if you are away from home when the fire alarm starts ringing? You will not hear the warning sounded by the ringing fire alarm bell if you are away from home. Therefore, you cannot do anything to minimize the risks of possible fire hazards. FirstFireAlert is the first application to provide an automatic technique to communicate the warning of ringing fire alarm sounds to the user away from home within a short time interval. The FirstFireAlert application uses Line 2 application of iPad to communicate the alert to the Line 2 application of your phone. When the home fire alarm starts ringing, the FirstFireAlert application initiates a Line 2 call from your iPad to your phone's Line 2 number to alert you. Notice you need FirstFireAlert application installed in your iPad and Line 2 application installed in both your iPad as well as your phone. First, understand this video fully and then follow the steps exactly as mentioned in this video. So let us see step 1, which is the installation. As you already see, we have installed FirstFireAlert application on our iPad from the App Store. Also, you need to install and sign up for a free Line 2 application on both your iPad as well as your phone. After signing up for Line 2, you will get your iPad's Line 2 number and your phone's Line 2 number. The Line 2 application can be installed free of cost both on your iPad and your phone. Moving on to the next step, which is saving Line 2 phone number in the FirstFireAlert application. After installing the applications, enter your phone's Line 2 number in the text box of the FirstFireAlert application. So let's do that. So I will enter the Line 2 number of my phone in the text box of the FirstFireAlert application. My phone's Line 2 number is 61760064110. After entering the phone's Line 2 number in the text box of FirstFireAlert application, I will press the save button. Moving to the next step, which is step 3, which is the test mode. This step needs to be performed only once for the first time use. Make sure that the iPad is kept at home and has Wi-Fi connected, and your phone has internet connected while using the FirstFireAlert application at all times. Place your iPad at a convenient place below one of the actual fire alarm installed in your home and start ringing the actual fire alarm installed in your home at its peak volume. So let's start the home fire alarm sounds. Immediately thereafter, press the Start Application button. So I have pressed the Start Application button. Let the fire alarm keep ringing and leave the application running as it is till a call initiates automatically from your iPad, which has Wi-Fi connected, to your phone which has internet connected. We are now waiting for the line to call to initiate from the iPad to our phone to alert us about the fire alarm sounds. So we can see a line to call has initiated automatically from the iPad to the line to application of your phone. So we can hear the fire alarm sounds in our phone even while we are away from home. So let me end this call. That means it is alerting you on your phone about the fire alarm sounds ringing in your home. If a line to call initiates automatically from your iPad to your phone, then the FirstFire application is ready to use. If a line to call had not initiated from your iPad to your phone automatically, then we need to redo this step 3 till a call actually initiates from your iPad to your phone. But in our case, line to call had initiated automatically from our iPad to our phone. So we move on to the next step, which is step 4, which is the use mode. The step 4 use mode shows how we actually use this FirstFireAlert application when we go away from home. When we go away from home and if the fire alarm starts ringing in our home, we want the fire alarm sounds alert to be communicated from our iPad to our phone. Let us see how we use this application. Always make sure that the iPad is kept at home and has Wi-Fi connected, and your phone which you take outside has internet connected while using the FirstFireAlert application at all times. While leaving home, launch the FirstFireAlert application. On pressing Start Application button, you will see that the mode has changed to use mode. That means this FirstFireAlert application is now ready to use. Let the application keep running while you are away from home. If the fire alarm installed in your home starts ringing, the application initiates a line to call automatically from your iPad to your phone to alert you. Let us see how it works. So we have pressed the start application button already and we are waiting for the line to call to initiate from the iPad to our phone to alert us about the fire alarm ringing in our home. So again we can see that the FirstFireAlert application initiates a line to call from our iPad to our phone. So let me answer it. You can hear the fire alarm sounds ringing in your home, in your phone, even while you are away from home. That means the application FirstFireAlert is alerting us about the fire alarm sounds ringing in our home. Let me end this call. Now, in another case, if there were no fire alarm sounds ringing in your home, then what will happen? Let us see what happens. We again start our FirstFireAlert application and we press the start application button. Now there are no fire alarm sounds ringing in our home. So we'll wait to see what happens. Because there are no fire alarm sounds ringing in our home, there will be no alert communicated from the iPad to our phone. So we can see if this actually does not call on our line to phone number of our phone. So you see nothing happens because there are no fire alarm sounds. If the fire alarm does not ring, there will be no line to call from the iPad to your phone. The application will keep running as it is till you return home. On returning home, press the stop button to stop the FirstFireAlert application. So let me press the stop button. So now we press the stop button and that has stopped the FirstFireAlert application from working. Using the FirstFireAlert application. The FirstFireAlert application must be kept running on iPad, kept at home as described in step 4, which was the use mode. While you go away from your home, the iPad needs to be kept on at home with Wi-Fi connected. Your phone needs internet connected for the alert to be communicated from the iPad to your phone. This FirstFireAlert application is not foolproof and is not a substitute for a responsibility. Have fun using the FirstFireAlert application and thank you for watching this video.